In this Bybit trading tutorial, I'm going to show you how to long and short the market with leverage. I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know to trade cryptocurrencies, both Bitcoin and altcoins. I'm only going to show you what is necessary and leave out everything you don't need to know to make this tutorial simple, easy to understand, so you can start trading right away. The first thing you need to do, if you don't have a Bybit account, is go down into the pinned comments and click on this link. As you click on this link, it will take you to this page over here and sign up under my link. You will be entering under my promo code, as I am a partner with Bybit. These are the rewards you will get by using my code now. Then once you sign in with Bybit, you will enter into a screen like this. There are many different tabs to click on, but there's only very few that you actually need to know. First of all, you can click on buy crypto here. You can buy crypto within seconds with your credit card. You can buy crypto from the P2P trading platform. If you've got money in Wise or PayPal, you can send your PayPal money to Wise and then come to P2P trading, where you can trade your Wise for crypto. And then to claim your rewards, you click over here into my rewards. I've already claimed all my rewards. It gives you specific tasks to complete. And once you complete those tasks, you will be credited with USDT or Bitcoin, which can help you on your trading journey. Once you have that all set up, let me show you how you can start to actually trade. You want to click over here in the derivatives section and the USDT perpetual. I'm going to be showing you in this video how I trade and the easiest way you can start trading on Bybit to become profitable. Once you deposit money into Bybit, you'll see your balance will show up over here. Right now, I'm on Bitcoin. If you want to select a currency pair to trade, you click on this tab over here and you can select all the currency pairs. You can click the 24 hours and it'll show you the biggest movers in 24 hours with the biggest volume. So for instance, CTSI moved 19% in the last 24 hours. STMX moved 13%. So these are the ones that are actually trending at the moment. But for this example, I'm just going to stick to Bitcoin. So once you've selected the coin you want to trade, then you can come over here. And this is where you enter your trade. First things first, if you're trading with leverage, you can select the level of leverage you want to trade with. So say you want to do 10x long, 10x short, and you click confirm. This just means that whatever amount you've deposited into your Bybit account, it will give you 10 times that amount to trade with. So I have $497 in my account at this moment, which means they will give me 10 times, which means I can get up to $5,000 of leverage to trade with, which helps you grow your account even if you don't have a lot of capital to start with. But if you're new and a beginner, I wouldn't go on 10x. I would stick to maybe 3x, maximum 5x, till you get a hang of it and more proficient, and then you can increase the leverage. Then we have markets and limit orders. So these are two different ways you can enter into the market. Market orders have higher fees and limit orders have much less fees. Limit orders means you're a market maker and market fees means you're a market taker. And the difference is, if you enter on a market order, it will enter you immediately into the trade. If you enter on a limit order, it will set a limit at a specific place in your trade and will only execute when price reaches that level. I will give you an example here. So for instance, if we say limit order and we wanted to trigger a short when it comes to this region, you can see it. The amount here is 30677, and then we set the amount and we click short. So once we click a limit order, it'll place a limit like on this line over here. It'll place a limit order on this line, which means only when price hits this line will it activate and enter you into the trade. Whereas if you enter with market order, it will immediately enter you into the trade and you'll pay a higher fee. Then over here, we've got the order book. This just shows you the pending orders that are all limit orders that are resting in the order book. At this level over here, there are 7 Bitcoins, 3 Bitcoins, instance, the order book just shows you where the pending orders are located. I wouldn't worry about this too much. It can get very confusing if you look at this because the orders change so frequently. But the most important thing to know is market order or limit order. I usually enter with market orders and then I exit my trade with limit orders. Say for instance, I enter my short position right here. With a market order, it enters me into the trade immediately, and then I set a limit order down here, which becomes my take profit. So I'll pay a bigger fee on the market order and a smaller fee on the limit order, but I'll immediately get entered into this trade, and only when price hits this limit order will it exit me and take profits. And then another aspect to become aware of, isolated or cross margin. Isolated means that whatever position size you enter, say you enter with $1,000 or $100, it will only use that $100 or $1,000. So if price goes against you and you go into the negative, you will only lose the amount you entered with. Whereas if you enter with cross, it will take money from your entire balance. So your liquidation will be much higher because it'll be based on the entire balance. Whereas when you enter with isolated, your liquidation will be based on the exact position size that you entered with. I like to enter with cross because it gives me margin for error, but at all times you want to make sure that your risk management is the number one priority. You do not want to risk more than 1 to 3% of your count per trade, and you want to stay very consistent in your position size because you will lose. But if you can make sure that you always lose a little bit, and when you win, you always win a big amount, then your wins will be much higher than your losses, and you will always become profitable at the end of the month. Even with a 60%, you can be extremely profitable. So I entered a small trade here just to show you an example. This is Ape USDT. When you enter a trade, it will display this line over here. I entered at this point over here, so it clearly shows your entry point. Here you can see I entered with $45. This was my entry price. This is my liquidation price. Since I'm on 10x leverage, I've only used 4 USDT of my capital, which has given me 45 USDT to trade with. It's currently up 3.5%, and I'm in profit by 0.16 USD. Now, if you want to, and this is very important, to set a stop loss, I will usually set a stop loss below a swing low point. So for instance, if I wanted to set it over here, I place a line, I double click on the line, I click on coordinates, I cut those coordinates, then I go down to this zone over here where it says take profit stop loss. I click on that and I paste it into the stop loss section and click confirm. It will show me all the details. If my stop loss gets hit, I will lose 1.7 USDT, and then you click confirm. As you can see, my stop loss is in place. Then if you want to set a take profit, say for instance I want to take profit at this peak over here, then I double click on it, click on coordinates, cut those coordinates, come down to this area which says take profit stop loss, and then I paste them into the take profit area. And you can see if price hits this area, I will make 1.4 USDT profit, which will be a 31% return on my investment. Then you click confirm. And as you can see, I've got my stop loss in place, I've got my take profit in place, and my trade is running. And that is basically all you need to know to be able to trade on Bybit with leverage. How to enter a trade, how to exit a trade, how to take profits, how to set your stop loss, which is crucial, how to manage your position size, and risk management is the most important part of trading. So make sure that you don't enter risking more than 1 to 5% of your account if you're a beginner. This is exactly how I trade with Bybit. I don't use any other features. I don't think they're necessary. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. I will answer every single question that is asked. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn how to make $50 to $100 per day trading with Bybit, then make sure to click on this video. I'm going to be showing you an easy strategy of how you can use Bybit to become profitable and make $50 to $100